Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use Envato elements in Premiere Pro. Okay, now a lot of you might have come to this tutorial because you think or you might remember that there used to be an extension for Premiere Pro, okay, that actually connected your Envato elements account to your Premiere Pro program and kind of allowed you to download everything from there. Okay, so you could basically import like music, stock footage, sound effects, graphics, and video templates. However, this is no longer the case, okay? The extension has been discontinued, I believe about like 6 months ago or something like that. So you're gonna have to do everything manually, which is what I'm gonna show you how you can do here, okay? Now this is gonna be pretty simple, but yeah, I'm just gonna show you how you can do this, all right? Now, there's been many complaints about the discontinuation of the extension, but so far Envato hasn't said anything besides the fact that they're doing this because they want to push the AI generation. Okay, as you can see here, they have included a lot of the menus for the AI generation, and they kind of want to push this to their users, so that's why they're not continuing with the extensions. So yeah, let's do this manually, guys. What are we gonna do? First of all, if you want to import like photos, videos, music, and sound effects, you can just get here to any of the categories that I just mentioned basically. You can just click on the particular video or the particular music that you want to basically download. Okay, and you can just click on download. Okay, and you can just import it as usual. Just opening your Premiere Pro project and kind of putting it in there, okay, by importing footage or importing any file basically. However, this changes a little bit if you want to do like a beta template. So we're going to click on beta templates in here. And now I want you to make sure to click on application supported. And we're going to have to make sure to click on Premiere Pro. Okay. Also, I recommend you select the preferred resolution because I find that if you're looking or you're working with any other resolution than the native resolution, it's not gonna work so good, okay? So let's do for 180. Okay, now you're just gonna have to select your preferred beta template. Keep in mind that, for Premiere Pro, not all of them are very good, okay? It's better if you do it in After Effects, in my opinion, but you can do whatever you want. Okay, so we're gonna click, for example, on like, I don't know, this one here maybe, which is like a text preset animation. And I'm just gonna click on download. And that's pretty much it, okay? Now you can go to the basically beta template panel in Premiere Pro and you can import it because it's gonna be in your local files in your computer, in your downloads folder. And that's it. Now it's gonna be open and you can just edit it and play with it a little bit, okay? So just download it and open it using Premiere Pro. Okay, pretty simple stuff. But just make sure that this is tick Premiere Pro and the correct resolution. Okay? Thank you so much, guys.